Hey, welcome back. We are looking at something called Parler-TTS, which is transforming text to speech for free. And in this tutorial, you will learn how to access Parler-TTS, a free text to speech model that allows you to convert a script into speech within seconds. The first thing you need to do is this is available in Hugging Face. So you need to access the Parler-TTS model on Hugging Face website. The link will be attached in the description. You can follow it and explore the interface and locate the input fields. So basically this is the input field. You can have a description and then you do generate audio, and basically if you want a female voice, a male voice, whatever you want, you can write it in the description and it will do that for you. And once everything is done, click generate audio, and here are a couple of examples. Let's do that. So let me just copy the first one here, and this is the description. Let's see how realistic it sounds. It takes a couple of seconds before this is available to you, and sometimes it takes a little longer too, but it is generally available. In the meantime, okay, so let's play this.
Remember, this is only the first iteration of the model. To improve the prosody and naturalness of the speech further, we're scaling up the amount of training data by a factor of 5 times. Remember this.
So similarly, you can change this to high pitched. So if you don't like high, you can make it high animated tone. You can also say with enthusiasm, right? So if you want, you can say it, and you can play around with different things. So the description is just translated into audio. This may be useful for you if you are probably doing some campaigns for your ads or anything else. It may be.
Remember, this is only the first iteration of the model. To improve the prosody and naturalness of the speech further, we're scaling up the amount of training data by.
Okay, so let's try this too. Okay, we changed this one. And let's wait for this to get generated. Here we are trying it out with a female voice, and let's play
This is
it.
the best time of my life, Bartley, she said happily.
And similarly, let's change this to high pitch. Right, let's change it to a high pitched, and you should see this. And that's basically it. And all the tips that you need to follow.
This is the best time of my life, Bartley, she said happily.
And they are given example for it, and they have done model of 10K audiobooks on this, and it seems to be pretty decent. And that's all I wanted to cover here in this video. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.